Yo everybody, welcome to this channel. I'm so happy to be here today. So today we are going to talk about fundamental analysis. So what are fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis are simply the micro and microeconomic news that affect your trading. So as a forex trader, you need to know what are fundamental analysis so that you stay away from losing money, right? So that's what we are going to talk about today. So stick to this video from the very beginning to the end so that you discover things that you will not discover before. So without further ado, let's jump right in the video. So we are going to jump on my screen, right? Because everything we are going to do today is going to be on my screen. We are going to explore some websites that are very important for any fundamental trader. So be ready and let's jump right in my screen. So you may be wondering, what are all those lines on my chart? Let me explain. It's not like a deeper explanation because this is not a technical analysis video, it's a fundamental analysis video. So I just want to show you to let you know what those lines stand for, right? So those black lines, you can notice that the gaps between them are almost the same. Why? Because they are psychological levels. So psychological levels are just a random level that you get from the price of the market, right? So let's say if the current market is at 1.20224, you can set your psychological level at 1.20000, and then from there you can add 50 pips and you get your psychological level. So those black lines are my psychological levels. So for traders that don't know how to trade support and resistance and like trading psychological level, then it's good for them to use this type of trading. And then these red lines, the red and those two red lines on my screen, they are the high and low of the week. So, sorry, let me open Chrome because Chrome is pretty much better. Chrome is much better. So here we are on trading view. I'm trying to load GBP USD because it's the only currency that I trade. So let me type GBP USD. Alright, so this is GBP USD, and now the only thing we are going to do today is to backtest in order to see how efficient and how important fundamental news are. So let's check. We are going to start from yesterday because there was a fundamental yesterday. What was that fundamental? NFPs, non-farm payroll. So we are going to check how volatile was that market. And imagine if you were in a trade then and you didn't know about the fundamental, you would have lost money if you were in the wrong position. So let's check NFPs. So here we are on the Forex Factory, and then we click on news. And once you click on news, you see all these things are news, right? And then this is the time that the news was um, um, published online. So this one was 55 minutes ago from Market Plus, and then this is the news, right? And then you can check all of those news right here. There's one thing I want to let you know is that the impact that the news have on the market depends on the color of this folder. So this one is yellow. That means that it does not have so much impact on the market, but the red ones have impact on the market. So can you see we have labor force survey February 2023 is very important, right? So if you've missed this fundamental then and you were in the wrong position, you would have lost money because this is very volatile. The employment situation. And then let's go down. GDP monthly estimate, Bank of Japan, Kuroda, and then can you see But now we are looking for the NFPs of yesterday's 24 hours ago. Let's go up. Unemployment situation. Yeah. I think this is it. I think this is it. Yeah, these NFPs. So the employment situation February 2023. So can you imagine from bls.gov? So they say total non-farm payroll employment rose by 311,000 in February, and the unemployment rate edged up to 3.6%. So the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics reported today. So can you see notable job gains occurred in leisure and hospitality, retail trade, government and healthcare. So employment declined in information and in transportation and warehousing. This news released present statistics from two monthly surveys. The household surveys measures labor force status, including unemployment by demographic characteristics. The establishment surveys measures non-farm employment hours and earnings by industries. For more information about the and then full story, right? So this was the fundamental, and it was posted March 10th, um, by 2:31 p.m. and submitted by Newsstand and all these things. So it's read. Like the most important aspect that you need to put at the back of your mind is that red folder. So anytime you see a red folder, that means the fundamental is going to be very volatile. But as a fundamental trader, you don't know how the fundamental is going to affect the market. For example, if you are trading, you don't know if the market is going to go up or down, unless if you've paid money to know the numbers. That's a lot of money, and if you are beginner, I don't know you can afford to pay. But if so, you can know what's going to happen. But if you can't pay it, then there's no way you can know. You just have to use your technical and then determine where the market is going to go. So let's look for yesterday, 10th of March. So if you want to see, you can just zoom in, zoom in, and then you come over here. Wednesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, right? Friday, right? 10th of March. But the news came around 2 p.m. 2 p.m. But 2 p.m. here in Africa, I mean, is like, you know, it's like 6, right? So it's from here that the fundamental came, and then see how volatile it was, right? It started from here all the way up to this place, right? Here all the way to this place. So if you want to measure how many pips it was, you can just take your ruler and then, can you imagine, 161 pips. 161 pips is a lot, bro. It's a lot. So you can also check for other fundamentals. And this news depends on the currency. It may go up for this DBP USD, but it may go down for another currency like USD JPY. So let's check USD JPY. Let's check USD JPY. Um, so um, let's check. So see what I was saying. So this is where the fundamental came, and then see how the market went all the way down to this place. So if you entered here as a technical trader and you don't know what you are doing, and the fundamental comes, then you would have like lost money. So I did not take this trade, so it was just like something that is here, but I've not taken the trade. So this is how it is. So if you've taken this trade and you are in the middle of the trade and you don't know about the fundamental, then you would have been taken out by the fundamental. So this is how volatile it is. But before I end this video, let me show you some more websites. You can also check my Forex Factory. No, sorry, my Forex um, um my FX book, sorry, my FX book. So you can open my FX book and then you can click on news and you can see all the news that you need. Try continue. So economic FX calculator news. So these are the news. Economic calendar, forex news. Let's forex news. Allow, and then yeah. So these are the new dollar draw following loonie mixed, and yeah, USD unemployment jumps more than expected. Unemployment rate that was released 22 hours 27 minutes ago, yesterday. So you can check for more. You can see. So when you click on one particular news, then you have more details. They will talk about it. They'll give you the time. They'll give you the impact on the currency, forex sentiment. So it is very, percentage on the currencies, on gold, on GBP USD, on USD CAD, on USD JPY, on what is it called, AUD CAD, and then can you see? So that's how it is. That's how the news has affected those currencies. So yeah. So there's also investing.com. So this is investing.com. So you can click on news, and then you can also come and click on the stock markets, cryptocurrency, commodities, currencies, economy. So you click on currencies and see, that's it, forex news, and you have all the news that you need, Bank of Canada, Fed, everything. So those are the three most important websites. We have investing.com, we have forex factory, and we have my FX book, right? So this is the end of the video. So I think you've learned a lot from the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, to comment, and to do all these things. I'm not wasting my time. Let's end this video, and thank you for watching. Ciao.